Next program is the language instruction programs. These are EL instruction programs used to develop English language proficiency and meet the academic and transitional needs of newly arrived immigrants or newcomers. In prior years, these are your EL instructional strategy codes and were reported through the CRSE file along with the EL education service codes for the class the students were attending. However, starting in academic year 2019-2020, reporting the data is now through individualized student reporting through the SPRG file. Here is a list of the different education program codes LEAs can use to specifically identify the language instruction program that a student is participating in. Collection of the English Learner Services data require coordination between you, the CalPADS coordinator, and 3 different groups within your LEA. However, with regards to LIP program collection, your go-to person would be your EL coordinator. He or she will help you determine both the ELAS status and applicable LIP eligibility of each student being reported. Since the language instruction program is now reported through the SPRG file, it will require a program start date and program end date. The program start date would be the date the student was determined to be eligible in the program, while the program end date would be the date the student was exited from the program because the student is no longer eligible. LIPs are required for EL students but is not exclusive to ELs. EO students may also be reported with a program. And in some occasions, a student may be reported with more than one language instructional program. Here is a screenshot of the student program model reflecting the LIP programs. As you can see, the LIP programs are listed alongside your regular student program codes. EL students are expected to have a language instructional program record reported. However, EO students may also be eligible for LIP. This normally happens when a student is enrolled in a school catered to a specific race or ethnicity. For example, a native English speaker may be attending a Chinese, Punjabi, or maybe a Russian school and is exposed to the foreign language through the class instruction. With that in hand, for EL students, all LIP codes are applicable to be used when reporting a program record, while for English-only students or native English speakers, only the following codes may be used. You have your 300, 301, 302, 304, and 306 codes. The next 2 slides is just a table with both the program code, program name, and a brief description of each of these program codes. For a detailed description, I suggest going to the CalPADS code sets documentation.